Let's take a quick look at the effect lag option in the efficient cause analysis for paired orderings. Now recall with Aristotle's four causes, the concept of time plays an important role when you're thinking about efficient causes and when you're thinking about final causes. You can ignore time essentially when you're talking about material causes or formal causes. So it may be the case here with this efficient cause analysis that we need to move the effect in time to make it match up with the cause. So we're going to work with these contrived data where we have these orderings here where we have doses of some medication, and then the effect or outcome, we have the heart attacks. We have thousands of data points here. Again, these are contrived data. We've seen these in a previous video. So to analyze these data, which are quantitative, we'll use the numbers ordinal option. And let's go ahead and look at the ordinal patterns here. And let's magnify this so we can see what's going on. And I have 3 rows of data that I've made up here. Here I have this lagged example, but let's first take a look at the 20 weeks worth of data. And notice that the red, the cause line, matches up nicely with the blue, the effect line. Now let's take a look at the lagged example, and we can see that the blue line is running behind the red line. So we want these to match up as they did in the previous example. So let's go ahead and then lag the effect by 1 here. And notice how now they match up nicely. And also take a look at how the PCC changes. Here it's 75.44. I'm going to now remove the lag, and we're down to 68.42. So when we lag the effect, it matches up better with the cause. So we definitely want to lag the effect for this lagged example. That's why I created the data in this way. Now the opposite pattern here, it's not going to pay to lag the effect. But in any case, you can see what the lagging is doing or what the lag option is doing in the analysis. So now to put that effect lag into action, I'll change the 0 to 1 there. And let's take a look at the individual results. We can get to a randomization test while we're here as well. Again, we're looking at the numbers ordinal here because we have quantitative data. And let's go ahead and select OK. And it iterates through. And we can see the individual results here. Here is that PCC of 75.44%. Chance value is less than 0.01. The 20 weeks worth of data, even when we lagged it, it still matched up a little bit, as we saw previously, 69.59, 59 rather, and then the opposite pattern is very low PCC index. So lagging it does look a little bit better than not lagging it, as we see here. And then we get these overall results, which really don't make a lot of sense to look at because we have these 3 very different examples that I've set up on purpose. So let's scroll up here also and just see that it's a good idea to take a look at the options that you have selected so you can see the effect lag equal to 1 right there. So you're always going to get these reminders at the front or at the top of your analysis of what options you have chosen. So with the effect lag option, you can move the effect forward or backward to have it match up with the cause. And of course, all of that is going to have to be driven by and justified by your explanatory theory.